Start recording. So, since natapos na yung UV mapping ng ating character, after nyo mag-combine, check na muna natin kung okay na. Yes, lahat color blue. If you check yung texel density, that means yung square lahat is, let's say, even. Walang small, walang big na square. Okay? So, next part will be, export na natin to as object. But before that, assign muna tayo ng favorite material. Name natin siya as text. So, select natin yung hair and then yung body ng character. Then, next is export selection. Hindi export all Pag nag-export all kayo, lahat ng hidden objects dun sa scene nyo, may export. Yung selected na object lang. So, export selection. Now, name natin siya high poly character. Kayong bahala. Now, files of type. Walang gagamit ng iba dyan. Walang gagamit ng Maya ASCII, binary, mel, move, etc. Ang gagamitin nyo lang, object export. What if, sir, wala po yung sinasabi nyong plugin, object export. If you want to check yung plugin, hindi available yung OBJ, punta kayo ng plugin manager. Yan, babagalan ko lang. Windows, settings and preferences, plugin manager. Find natin, type natin si object. Yan. So, dapat naka-check to. Just in case lang naman, pero most of the time, existing yung plugin na yan. And then, export selection, object export, high poly, export. Make sure na naka-smooth siya once. No? So, punta tayo na Substance Painter. So, if you want to create a new text, new file, ito, click nyo lang yung new. Document resolution, usually I go for 2048 or 2K. Well, 4096 kasi medyo overkill, pero if kaya ng GPU ninyo, go for 8K, 16K, etc. Go. Wag naman. So, next part, meron ditong template. Meron dyang Dota 2, Blender, Lens Studio, etc. Huwag kayong gagamit ng ibang template except dito sa dalawa. Always use PBR metallic roughness. Ito yung pinaka most basic. If you use Dota 2, Blender, etc., most likely may extra channels dyan na hindi kayo familiar. No? So, channels, explain ko. So, PBR, metallic roughness. And then, after that, after ng template, go to select. Now, this is my exported file. Open that. So, watch closely ano yung tinatanggap ni Substance Painter. FBX, ABC, OBJ, Day, Fly, GLTF, GLB, etc. So, select that. Ayun, nakalagay na yung file. Document resolution, 2048. Naka-uncheck tong dalawa. And since we have an existing UV map for our character, you have to uncheck this. Kasi kapag naka-check siya, i-override niya yung UV map mo, which is maayos na dito sa Maya. Check natin. Yan. Take note off nyo to. And then, okay. Na siya. So, test natin kung pwede mag-paint. Yes, pwede mag-paint. Yan. Pwede na siyang i-paint, pero before we paint, kailangan natin mag-bake. Which is yung sa next part. Pause ko muna.